my great satisfaction is the Holy Week services in Hindi, especially in that, what you will say, the Diocese of Raipur, is by me. Musically.
Even today?
Even today. They are singing it every year.
Beautiful.
Very unforgettable is this, Father, because there is a magnificent musical monument in the Easter services of the Latin Church. That is, when they bless the fire and the candle.
Exultet.
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 Exactly.
I sing it on Holy Easter Vigil.
Congratulations. My God.
You know, that melody is interesting. I'm glad you brought it up.
Yeah.
Because the Syriac priest, like Father Sebastian Shangurikil, they appropriated this melody.
Yeah, into Syriac.
Into Syriac.
There was a time in the 19th century Catholic Church in
their
Kerala.
association with the Portuguese.
Yeah.
This melody became so popular.
Yeah.
Really?
This is news. I'm hearing it for the first time. Wonderful.
He has sung it. I didn't sing it properly, but he has sung the correct text.
You have a copy of it?
Yes. Wow. It's on YouTube.
Wonderful.
Sebastian Shangurikil.
Really?
Yes, he sings this Exultet.
Exultet, iam angelica turba celoro, exultent divina mysteria, et pro tanti regis victoria, tuba insonens salutare. Iae Marcoliave, Iae Marcoliave, Save col sain, il Mawla, wal Zildar, wal Summa Shambal Ismaya, the Hila Rambosa.
So
he first sings the Exultet, the older version, and then sings the Syriac version.
Glorious.
What a story of cultural intermingling.
Yeah.
So come back. So your melodies are being sung.
Yeah.
Can you sing the Hindi version of the Exultet?
Exactly. I was coming to that.
Please.
See, I was hooked to that Exultet the moment. See, it was not properly sung in Kerala by anybody. Maybe there was one Father Pallathisheri, my uncle's classmate, Father Joseph Munyapalli's classmate. Other than that, I may have heard some OCD fathers singing somewhere, probably in Mangalapura Seminary when they had a collection of Spaniards and all that. But when I went to north of India, I heard some German fathers singing this, I was hooked because it is a magnificent song of, I don't know what magnitude it is. It could be a world classic, like what do you call a heritage.
Yes.
Exultet iam angelica celorum, la 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 li la li la li, la la li la 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 li la li la li, la li la la li 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 li
la la la.
Exactly. Apacho, I thought I will make an adaptation of that. Yeah. So Mulana gave me the lyrics, a freestyle.
Wow.
It's a declaration, an exclamation, a heralding of an event. So,
O ullasit hove yamini, pulkit bhave medini, प्रमुदित होवे देवदूत, जय गुंजन तुरही बजे.
So it is an adaptation of the Latin and the Gregorian chant.
And you brought a mean tara.
Yes, all that. In Indian music, naturally, we have to do that.
Yeah.
बन आलोकित धरातल, शोभित सारा गगन, परमोल्लास भरे चराचर, हर्षानंद मगन.
My goodness. This is a topic for a doctoral dissertation. How Excerpt crept into the Hindi
field.
Syriac.
Absolutely.
Oh.
So this is one of my greatest joy. That
And it's still being sung.
I hope so.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, must be some fathers or some. No, even a deacon can sing. So
Yes,
their viability is there.
Yeah. And what about Good Friday?
Good Friday, there's a lot of, but unfortunately, I don't remember those things. I have done everything, including that, the complaint.
Hake Sliva, this is the wood of the cross.
Oh, it is, we have done
on
that.
which hung the Savior
That's
of
right.
the world.
That's right, yeah. Ecce lignum crucis.
Crucis.
Yeah, we have done
We
that.
have a Syriac version of that.
Yes.
Hake Sliva.
This is Gregorian Chant again. Yeah.
Is it?
Yes. Ecce lignum crucis. So it must have been adapted.
They adapted into, and then they would sing it in 3 ascending pitches.
Then the same thing.
Hake Sliva tararira dara, and then Hake Sliva. So that was, the melody was adapted to the Syriac.
You see, probably, Father, we must know historically, the Oriental melodies traveled from Jerusalem, Palestine, via Antioch and the empire of Syria, came to Asia Minor, and all those Greek villages where St. Paul preached and all that, ultimately came to Asia Minor and crossed over to Rome. And the mood of Rome was accepting everything from the Orient with great respect and love.
Because that's the source.
That's the source.
Source of Christianity.
That is correct.
So they had a great respect.
Respect for that. And they adapted it as best. They retained the original as best as they could initially. Therefore, Oriental music came to the Occident and they accepted it with great affection and respect. And then the European flavor picked it up and added their own thing. And
became Gregorian chant.
Gregorian chant.
From there went on medieval chant.
That's right. And so on. So the point is, the Gregorian chant has taken a lot of Syriac chant. Oriental. They always value the works of Ephraim and Patti. And there are so many other composers about whom we don't know. So they valued all that. But now, it happened to travel from the Latin into the Syrian.
Yeah. What a
what a very strange,
what a ironic
situation. But very healthy situation.
Very healthy situation.